Do you know many people who are going to write the public exam? So in that exam they are taking a lot of time to do and to solve the math questions only. So if they do like this, there will be no time left to do other subjects. So for that purpose I have brought the shortest trick which can solve the questions within some seconds. So we'll go and start. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I am Rahul and you are seeing the video from Chota Master Rahul. So before going to start, see the video till end. The first trick is about the multiply with 5. Multiply. So here the number which can be multiplied with 5. So in this multiply with 5, the shortest trick is, the first question is 24 into 5. So without multiply, how we can do? See here, half of the 24 is here 12. So directly we write 0. So 24 into 5 equal to 120. And the second question is 48 into 5 equal to, half of the 48 is equal to 24 and directly we write 0. So 48 into 5 equal to 240. So our answer is 240. Third question is 160 into 5. See friends, so we should divide by 2. So our answer is 800. Half of the 160 is 80 and directly we write 0. So answer is 800. The fourth question is 2400 into 5 equal to, half of the 2400 equal to 1200. 1200. So directly we write at 0. So our answer is 12,000. And the second trick is, without dividing, how we do division, which is divided by 20. So in this trick, without dividing, we can get the solution. The first question is 24 divided by 5 equal to, remember one thing, that any number which is in the numerator should multiply with 2. So 24 into 2 equal to 48, and then we should take from the right point, so from 1, so here the point, the answer is 4.8. Second question is 240 divided by 5 equal to, 240 into 2 equal to 480. So from the right side we take, we leave one digit and put the point here. So the answer is 48. The answer is 48. The third question is 72 divided by 5 equal to, 72 into 2 equal to 144, and we remove one digit here, leave this digit and put the point here. The answer is 14.4. And the third trick is divided by 25. See here, it is a sum about large number. So how to divide? Dividing by 25, directly I will get the answer. The first question is 9620 divided by 25. Remember one thing, here we should multiply the numerator with 4. So here equal to into 4. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, 4 6 are 24. So here 2 we write as a carry, and 4 9s are 36 plus 2 equal to 38, and now here in the denominator there is 2 digits, so we leave the 2 digit and put point here. So the answer is 384.80. And the second question is 9326 divided by 25 is equal to. So first we should multiply this number into 4. Then 4 6 are 24, we write 2 as a carry. Then 4 2 is 8 and 1 as carry. And 4 3 is 12, 1 carry. And 4 9 is 36 plus 1 equal to 37. So here in the denominator there is 2 digits, so we leave the 2 digit and put point here. So answer is 372.04. So in the first trick you have to remember one thing, that is in the first trick we have to do the half of the number and put directly 0. So in the second trick we have to multiply the numerator into 2. Then we put we'll remove a last digit, leave the last digit and put point to the second from the right. So in the third trick and last trick, so don't be confused. Here when it is divided by 25, there we have to multiply with 4. I think friends you have enjoyed these tricks. So if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so when I post the videos, so you will get the notification and you will see my video first. And till then, bye bye, see you, thank you.